Hey, Shani,
Hi, Brian. What's up?
have you heard about the Socially Connected Conference in Region 11?
Do you mean the one where I can go and meet my students where they are by using my classroom Instagram?
Absolutely.
Or how my school can take advantage of Twitter and Facebook to communicate effectively with the community stakeholders?
Uh-huh.
Oh, is that the spot where I can get some skills on how to establish my district and my classroom brand and really know what that means?
Yep.
Wait, I know! The conference where I can see how students are learning to be leaders by using social media to make a difference? Can I get some digital citizen and policy-making tips there as well?
Yes, Shani. All that and more will take place at this year's Socially Connected Conference hosted by ESC Region 11.
Can I get highlighted on how I'm already using social media to innovate?
Yes, you can, if you get nominated. We'll just have to wait on that. So make sure you come out on May 31st to share and learn and get socially connected.